Welcome to AERO Auto Defense, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, analysis, and deep insights into the world of military aviation, advanced technologies, and defense innovations. If you are passionate about cutting-edge aircraft, stealth technology, and the future of air combat, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates from us. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most ambitious and secretive projects in modern military aviation, the NGAD, or Next Generation Air Dominance Program. The NGAD is a sixth-generation fighter jet initiative led by the United States Air Force, designed to replace the iconic F-22 Raptor and maintain America's edge in air superiority for decades to come. The NGAD program isn't just about building a single aircraft. Instead, it represents an entire family of systems, combining manned fighters, unmanned drones, advanced sensors, and next-level networking capabilities. The goal is simple yet highly ambitious: to dominate the skies in any future conflict where speed, stealth, and information superiority decide the outcome. While much of the NGAD's technology remains classified, we do know a few things. Reports suggest that the aircraft will feature next-generation stealth far beyond what we've seen in the F-35 or F-22, making it nearly invisible to modern radar systems. It's expected to have adaptive engines, capable of changing power output mid-flight for greater efficiency and speed. Rumors also indicate that NGAD will be equipped with advanced artificial intelligence systems, enabling pilots to work seamlessly with drone wingmen, known as collaborative combat aircraft. Another fascinating aspect of NGAD is its open architecture design, which allows rapid upgrades in software, weapons, and electronics without needing a complete redesign. This means the aircraft can evolve much faster than previous generations, staying ahead of potential adversaries like China's J-20 or Russia's Su-57. The United States Air Force has confirmed that a prototype of the NGAD has already flown, which indicates that development is much further along than many expected. Analysts believe the NGAD could enter service by the early 2030s, giving the US a significant technological advantage in any future conflict. However, this level of innovation comes with a price. Each NGAD fighter is projected to cost hundreds of millions of dollars, potentially making it the most expensive combat aircraft ever built. But for the US, maintaining air dominance in the face of rapidly advancing threats is considered non-negotiable. The NGAD program represents a turning point in the history of air combat. It's not just about speed or stealth anymore, it's about connectivity, adaptability, and total battlefield awareness. With NGAD, the US aims to redefine what it means to control the skies. If you want to stay updated on the NGAD program and other defense,